The dock and reader should be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected after each use. These items cannot withstand an automated cleaning process and should only be cleaned manually. It is important to wear protective gloves and only use approved wipes containing quaternary ammonium as the active ingredient, either with alcohol such as Cavi wipes or without alcohol such as Sanicloth AF3 germicidal disposable wipes. Step 1. Clean. Begin cleaning by using a fresh ammonium wipe to clean the visible upper surfaces of the dock, followed by the reader. Change the wipes and repeat this step until each component is visibly clean. It is essential that you do not clean the inside of the reader lids or touch the connectors, as these contain the highly sensitive electrode contact pads. Step 2. Disinfect. Use a fresh ammonium wipe to disinfect the surfaces of the dock, followed by the reader. Once again, it is important that you do not touch, clean, or disinfect the connectors inside the reader lids. To properly disinfect the surfaces of the dock and reader, they should remain visibly wet for 5 minutes. Any less time is not sufficient. Continue to wipe surfaces intermittently with additional fresh wipes until the time is met. Once cleaned and disinfected, wipe the components with a 70% IPA wipe to remove residual detergent. This is necessary because the disinfectant wipe residues can cause skin irritation. Step 3. Dry. The components should be left to air dry, and cleaning and disinfection materials should be discarded in accordance with applicable regulations.